Okay, one box of 13 Bowman Jumbo, 12 packs per box, um, 32 cards per pack, 3 autos, and I think they have Affleck hits too, or you can pull two, so let's get off with it. There we go, 2 bricks. Okay. This is Michael Taylor. He's doing good for Double A. Ventura. Pujols, Fraser inserts. This is the reprint type of card. Votto. Farland. Okay, that's it for that pack. There's Dilston. I think he's on the Mets now. He was, I think, traded late last summer. That's this Johan Santana. He tore his Achilles. Jorge Soler for the Cubs. That's a mini. And then we have, there's Edwin Diaz. He's climbing up their rankings. Those are the prospects. There's our base. There's a Bundy rookie. Brock Holt, I think he's starting for them now. Whoops. There's Shoop. There's a Correa paper. These are the Prospect Challenge cards. They don't do them anymore. I don't know how they used to do this. I think you get points for if prospects did well or something. Matt Barnes, mini. Salazar, they sent him back down. Alex Meyer. He's doing pretty good. Guerrero, I think he's in high A. And you get your rookie cards usually at the end of the pack. You get a couple. Just space. We got what, 9 packs, and we're waiting on 3 hits. There's a Buxton paper. Alcantara. James Mott, sorry, Jason Mott, international. That's cool. Got a gold card here. Gabriel Encina's gold. Don't know a lot about him, but for the Yankees, /50. Cracked ice. Cracked ice to Sarah. These aren't numbered, by the way. Interstate, Lenny Linsky. Another one of him. Patrick Kivlahan. I've opened 3 boxes from this case, and I've pulled 2 of these now. Man, they must have printed a lot of this guy. Patrick Kivlahan. Carlos Sanchez. Base. And redemption. We don't like to see that. There's Mondesi. He goes by Raul now. There's Alan Craig, cracked ice. And a Buckle Interstate. And Christian Bethencourt. I'll take it. Just a base auto of him. Braves catcher. I think he's in AAA. He was up last year for a little cup of coffee. There's a Machado. He threw his bat at the pitcher today. He's a little mad. Giolito. The Shoot cracked ice, Singrani mini. There's Bethencourt. That's the auto we pulled. Dilson. Something blue here. Colin Wiles, Cracked ice. That's kind of cool. Man, he's got a big autograph. Brian Goodwin, top 100 prospects. And our third auto is Matthew Skull for the Nationals. I don't know. To 150. I don't think he's a very big prospect, but that's our auto, I guess. Nolan Sanborn, blue paper to 500. And Wilmer Flores mini. There's a Polanco. He's awesome. International, Miguel Montero. Gary Sanchez, top 100. Was it Micah Johnson? He's doing good. It's an international, Christian Villanueva. It's a buckle orange 250 paper. Castellanos mini. Polanco. Got a Taylor Guerrero mini, blue refractor, Taylor Lindsay for the Angels. It's a 250. That's it. So So, pretty good box.